Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of Realme GT Master Edition versus Redmi Note 10 Pro. So let's start the video. Let's discuss dimension. Height. GT Master has 158.5 mm height and Note 10 Pro has 164 mm height. Width. GT Master has 73.3 mm width and Note 10 Pro has 76.5 mm width. Thickness. GT has 8.4 mm thickness and Note 10 Pro has 8.1 mm thickness. Weight. GT has 174 gram weight and Note 10 Pro has 193 gram weight. Let's discuss display. Realme GT Master has 6.43 inches display and Redmi Note 10 Pro has 6.67 inches display. Let's discuss resolution. Realme GT and Redmi Note 10 Pro has 1080p into 2400 resolution. Aspect ratio. Realme GT has 20:9 ratio and Note 10 Pro has also 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Realme GT has 409 ppi pixel density and Note 10 Pro has 395 ppi pixel density. Display type. Realme GT Master and Redmi Note 10 Pro has both the phone have Super AMOLED display. Protection. Realme GT Master has Corning Gorilla Glass protection and Note 10 Pro has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 का protection. A screen to body ratio. Realme GT has 86.7% screen to body ratio and Note 10 Pro has 85.6% screen to body ratio. Let's discuss display. Realme GT Master Edition has triple camera slot and its primary camera comes with 64 megapixel, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.4, micro camera 2 megapixel aperture 2.4, and it's also come with LED flash or HDR. Let's discuss another phone, Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's also have a quad camera setup and its primary camera comes with 64 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.0, micro camera 5 megapixel aperture 2.4, and depth camera aperture 2.4. Let's discuss camera video recording feature. Realme GT Master Edition and Redmi Note 10 Pro both can record 4K video at 30 fps. Camera selfie. Both the phone Realme GT and Note 10 Pro both the phone support 16 megapixel aperture 2.4. Both can record 1080p at 30 fps. Let's discuss about hardware. Realme GT Master Edition comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor and Note 10 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. Hardware GPU. Realme GT Master has octa-core Cryo 670 and Note 10 Pro has Cryo 470 processor. Hardware GPU. GT Master has Adreno 642 and Note 10 Pro has Adreno 618 processor. So let's discuss about RAM. Realme GT has 8GB 12GB RAM variant and Note 10 Pro has 6GB 8GB RAM variant. Internal storage. GT has 128 256GB internal storage and Note 10 has 64 128 256GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. GT doesn't support any expandable card slot and Note 10 Pro does support card slot. Battery. Realme GT has 43 mAh battery and Note 10 Pro has 5020 mAh battery. Fast charging. Realme GT can charge 65 watt fast and Note 10 Pro charge 33 watt fast. Operating system. Realme GT has Android 11 Realme UI 2.0 and Note 10 Pro come with Android 11 MI UI 12. So let's discuss both phone connectivity. Realme GT Master comes with under-display fingerprint. It supports 5G network. It also supports NFC, Wi-Fi, stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB to Type-C, UFS 3.1 or 120Hz refresh rate. Let's discuss another phone, Redmi Note 10 Pro. It comes with side-mounted fingerprint. It supports only 4G network. It supports NFC. It supports 120Hz refresh rate. It supports a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 2.2 or Wi-Fi. Let's discuss both the phone price. Realme GT Master Edition comes with around $35,470 of around 8GB 128GB internal storage and Note 10 Pro comes with $19,000 around $299 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like our video then please subscribe to our channel.